Morning all of you. This is your math teacher Anmol Upadhyay. Students, we are now going to discuss our third exercise of the 11.3. Okay, taking our first question, that is we have to find the circumference in which radius has been given. Okay, radius has given, that is 14 centimeter, and we have to find circumference of the circle. Means you know the formula of circumference of the circle, that is C equals to 2 pi r. Means the value of C is equals to 2 pi and r has been given here, that is 14 centimeter. Okay, we have to put the value of r over here, and we know the value of pi, that is the value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7. We have to put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, and the value of r has been given, that is 14. Okay, put the value of r, that is 14. Okay, we will now cancel it by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, that is equals to 44 into 2, that is equals to 88, and r is in centimeter, then its circumference C will also be in centimeter. Okay, now question number second, r has been given and we have to find the area of the circle. Okay, the value of C is equals to 2 pi r, and the formula for the area of circle A equals to pi r square. Okay, means r has been given, that is 49. We have to put the value of r here and the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Okay, let's calculate the area. Area equals to pi r square, means 22 by 7, and the value of r, that is 49. Square means 2 times 7. Okay, (154) multiplied by 49, and we will in the rough section multiply 154 into 49. Carry will be 3. Okay, the answer will be 7,546 centimeter square. Okay, now taking to our third question, that is the circumference of the circle. Question number 3 of exercise 11.3 I am discussing. Okay, if the circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius and also find the area of the sheet. Okay, means the circumference has been given, means the value of 2 pi r is given, that is 154 meter, and we have to calculate the area of the circular sheet. Means the question is, suppose that a circle of circumference, what is circumference? The length of this boundary is known as circumference, and its value is 2 pi r. Circumference has been given, that is 154, means 2 pi r equals to 154. Okay, from here we will calculate r, because we know the value of pi, we will put over here and we will calculate the value of R. 154, I think meter has been given. 154 meter. And C, this is equals to C, that is circumference. And we have to calculate the value of A, that is area. From here, from this equation, we will calculate the value of R. Okay. Firstly, put the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7 into R equals to 154 meter. Okay. 22 into 7 times, it will be cancelled. Okay. And the R will be equals to 7 into 7 upon 2, that is equals to 49 upon 2. It will be the R. The value of R will be 49 upon 2. Okay. Okay. This is the value of R, and we have to find the area of the circle. Means the area of circle is equals to pi R square. Okay. Pi means 22 upon 7. R, here the value of R, that is 49 upon 2, that is equal to 49 upon 2. Okay. You will cancel in 7 times, 11 times, and when we will calculate it, its value will be equals to 1886.5. 1886.5 meter square. This is the question number 3 explanation, in which the value of circumference has been given and we have to calculate the area. First of all, we have to find the radius, which is R, and the value of R will be 49 by 2 meters. Okay. And from this R, we will put the value of R in pi r square and we will find the area of the circle. This is the explanation of question number 3. Now, moving toward our question number 4. Let's see. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Okay. Means a gardener wants to fence its circular park of diameter 21 meters. Find the length of the rope he needed to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of the fence. Okay. And also find the cost of rope if its cost is rupees 4 per meter. Okay. Let's start. Diameter has been given, that is 21 meters. Okay. Taking our question number 4. This is question number 4. Suppose a gardener wants to fence its circular garden whose diameter is 21 meters. Whose diameter is 21 meters. Means its radius will be half. If the diameter is 21 meters, means radius will be 21 upon 2 meters. Radius will be half of the diameter. Okay. A gardener wants to fence. Fence means generally perimeter or circumference. Fence means what? Fence means this. Suppose a gardener wants to fence it. He will start a rope from here and it will form a boundary like this. And this will happen 2 times. Means he will bound it twice, not only 1 time, but he will bound it 2 times. For this purpose, he has a need of rope. And what will be the length of rope if the cost has given, I think, 4 rupees per meter. Okay. Means we have to calculate the length of rope. Means length of rope means perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle. For this purpose, we have to need the will have to find the value of r, that is 21 upon 2. From this r, we will calculate the circumference. First of all, if you want to solve this question, what we'll have to do? That is, r has been given. So, firstly, diameter has been given. From this diameter, we will calculate the value of r. That is equals to 21 upon 2 meters. Okay. From this r, students, we will calculate the value of circumference. Okay. That is c. That is equals to 2 pi r. And it will multiplied by 2 because rope is bounded 2 times. Okay. Fencing has been done 2 times. Then you will multiply the circumference by 2. And after then, we have to find the cost of the rope. For that purpose, we have to multiply it by 4. Okay, let's start. First of all, we have to calculate C. C equals to 2 pi r. We know the value of pi, that is equals to 22 upon 7. And the value of r is 21 upon 2. Okay. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21, 2, 2, and that will be equal to 66 meter. 66 meter. And this rope is fences 2 times. Means we have to multiply it by 2. Okay. Means total length of rope. Total length of rope, that will be equals to 2 into 66 meter, and it will be equals to 132 meter. Means for fencing a circular path, we have the length of rope equals to 132 meter. Okay. Now we are moving towards to calculate the cost of the rope. Cost of the rope means for 1 meter, for the length of 1 meter of the rope, cost has been given 4 rupees for 1 meter. Okay. For 1 meter of the length, the cost of the rope is 4 rupees. Here 132 meter has been given, means 132 multiplied by 4. We will get 4 to the 8, 4 3 is 12. I think 528 rupees will be the answer of this. Okay. Now, taking our next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 we are discussing now. From a circular sheet of the radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter has been removed. Okay. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Question is very simple, students. That is, a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter has been given. We are going to remove this question. We are discussing question number 5. A circle with radius 4 centimeter has been given. Okay. 4 centimeter radius has been given to you. I think 4 centimeter. Okay. From this circle, a 3 centimeter radius. 3 centimeter radius means this type of radius has been removed. Okay. This circle has been removed. Okay. we have to calculate this region. Yani means we have to find the area of this region. For that calculation, we have to calculate the whole area with 4 centimeter. After then, we will calculate the area with 3 centimeter of radius, and both will be subtracted, and we will get the answer of the remaining portion. Means, what will the required area? Required area will be equals to area of larger circle minus area of smaller circle. How will find the area of larger circle? We will find the area of larger circle by the formula of pi r square minus pi small r square. What is the value of capital R? Capital R equals to 4 centimeter and small r equals to 3 centimeter. Okay? Means pi into square of 4 minus pi into square of 3. Okay? Pi has been taken as a common, and 4 square minus 3 square, that will be equals to 16 minus 9 will be equals to 7 pi, and the value of pi is 22 upon 7. That will be cut, and the area will be 22 centimeter square. Okay, this is the required area of that portion. Okay. Now question number 6. Saima wants to put a less on the edge of the circular table, cover of diameter 1.5. Find the length of the less required and also find the cost of 1 meter of less. Also find the cost if 1 meter of less is equals to 15 rupees. Okay. Seema wants to put a less over the circular table of diameter 1.5. Let's remove this question. Question number 5. Take a screenshot of this question, or otherwise take your book and read the question and start solving your exercise, that is exercise 11.3. Now moving towards the question number 6. Suppose a circular table has been given, okay, of diameter, I think 1.5 meters. Diameter is 1.5 meters. Okay. Seema wants to put a less along its boundary. Okay. Less means a piece of ribbon she wants to put over the side of the circle of diameter 1.5 meters. Okay. First of all, students, we have to calculate the perimeter of the circle or circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is equals to 2 pi r. R has not been given. Only diameter D has given, that is 1.5. 5 meters. We have to calculate the R. For R, 1.5 divided by 2. Okay, this is the value of R. We will put the value over here, that is 2 into 22 upon 7, and the value of R we have find, that is 1.5 divided by 2. Two and two will be cancelled. 1.5 point will be removed, and this will be 70. C will be equals to 33 by 7 meters. Cost of 1 meter is equals to 15. Cost of 1 meter is equals to 15 rupees. Find the total cost. If the cost of 1 meter is equals to 15 rupees. 1 meter equals to 15 rupees. Okay. We have to find the value of this. Then the cost of 33 upon 7 meters. We have to simply multiply 15 to 33 upon 7. Okay. Value will be 70 point, I think answer 65 will be the answer of this question. Okay, this is a video solution of question number 6. For that, we have to calculate the value of C, that is circumference, and after then we will multiply it with 15, that is the cost of the ribbon, and now we will find that the answer is equals to 70.65. That is the video explanation of question number 6. Video explanation of question number 7. Take your book and start read the question number 7. The perimeter of adjoining figure, which is the semicircle including the diameter, okay, 10 centimeter. Question number 7, students, we are now going to discuss. Suppose a semicircle has been given. Okay. What is semicircle? Half of the circle. Okay. And a diameter of, I think, 10 meters or 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. We have to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter means we have to calculate the length of this and this. What is perimeter? Perimeter means standing on the one position and start moving on its boundary, and the total length covered by the figure will be equals to perimeter. सिंपल. पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? किसी भी फिगर के कोने पे खड़े हो जाना और उसके किनारे किनारे की बाउंड्री पे चलना और जो भी लेंथ आपने कवर किया वही पेरीमीटर होता है. ठीक. Means this will be the length and this will be the perimeter. For that we have to calculate this value. What is this value? For a complete circle, suppose that if the circle has been completed, the length of this will be equals to 2 pi r. length will be equals to 2 pi r, but the circumference of semicircle will be equals to half of 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r, that will be equals to pi r. Means the length of this will be equals to what? Pi r, and plus 10 centimeter if we will move along this side. Then the perimeter will be 10. Pi r plus 10. 10 is the diameter. The value of pi will be equals to 22 upon 7. We have to put the value of pi as per instruction has been given. That is, we can use 22 by 7 if the value of pi has not been given. Suppose that the value of pi 3.14 has been given, then we have to put the value 3.14. Their answer will be shortly differ in point, otherwise there is no problem at all. That is 22 upon 7. What is the value of r? R will be equals to 5 plus 10. That will be equals to 110 upon 7 plus 10. It will be equals to 180 upon 25.55 will be the perimeter. Okay. Now taking the 8th question. Taking the 8th question, find the cost of polishing the circular top table of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is 15 per meter square. Okay. We have to find the value of polishing. Okay. For 1 meter square, students, it is taking 15 rupees. Means we have to calculate the area of, firstly we have to calculate the area of the top table, and then it will multiply with 15 and you will get your answer. Simple. We have to firstly find the area of the table, and after then we'll multiply it by 15, we will get the answer. Let's start. Suppose a circular table the value of diameter is equals to 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. We have to calculate the area because polishing will be not only on the boundary, it will cover the whole area of the circle. Therefore, we have to calculate the area. Okay. And the formula for area will be equals to A equals to pi r square. Pi r square. We know the value of pi, that is equals to 22 upon 7. Suppose in question 3.14 has been given, you can put over this. But for easy calculation, I am going to do this right now. Okay. 22 upon 7. What is the value of r? R is equals to 0.8 because diameter is 1.6. Then the value of r will be equals to 0.8 meter into 0.8 meter because r square, it means r into r. Okay. What will be the value? 22 upon 7 0.64 meter square. Okay, and after that we have to calculate its area. I think 15 rupees per meter square. Okay, 3.14 multiplied by 0.64. Will be equals to 2.0096, means we can say that 0.1 approx meter square. Okay, for 1 meter square it is taking, for 1 meter square rate is 15 rupees. Then for 2.01 into 15 you will get a student 15 approx value, means nearby value you could get it. Okay, this is the video of question number 8. Taking our question number 13. Okay, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. Okay, the diameter of the flower bed is 66 meters. What is the area of this path? Means a circular flower bed is surrounded by the path 4 meter wide. Okay, and if the diameter of the flower bed is 66, means what question is saying? Question is saying, suppose this is a flower bed of diameter 66, of diameter 66. Okay, and from the flower bed 4 meter wide path is moving along it, means the value of this wideness is 4 meter. Along this side it will be also 4 meter. I think the area of path we have to find. Okay, we have to calculate the area of this path. Okay, suppose that if we have calculated the area of larger circle, and from that we have subtract this smaller circle, your required area will be, the result means required area will be equals to minus area of smaller. For larger circle the radius will be capital R. For smaller circle radius will be smaller. What will be the radius of larger circle? What will be the radius? Means from smaller this will be equals to 33, and this will also be equals to 33. For the larger circle, radius will be this. This is the length of the radius of the larger circle, means capital R equals to 33 plus 4 equals to 37, and smaller circle is only the length, that is equals to 33 meter. Okay. Capital R will be equals to 37, small r equals to 33. Okay. Pi has been taken as a common. R square means 37 square minus 33 square. The value of pi will be equals to 22 by 7, and 37 square minus 33 square, it will be equals to a square minus b square, and whenever we have to calculate this a square minus b square, we can write a plus b and a minus b. ठीक, means we can add 37 plus 33 in one bracket, and in other bracket we could minus 37 minus 33. 22 upon 7, it will be equals to 336. 4. 10 times 880 meter square will be the answer. Okay. I have taken the value 22 upon 7 in question 3.14 has been given. There is no worry about that. We can put the value 3.14 and slightly differ in the answer will be, that is 879 point something will be the answer. There is nothing to be worried. Let's start our next question. Let's discuss question number 15 of the exercise 11.3. Find the circumference of the inner and the outer circle of the given adjoining figure. This is the figure, students. In this figure, we have to calculate the circumference of the inner and outer circle. Means the inner circle is this and outer circle will be equals to this. Okay. We have to calculate the circumference of outer circle. Then we have to calculate the circumference of inner circle. For this, we have to calculate the value of radius. Means circumference of bigger circle. We have to calculate the value. We have to find the value of radius. That is equals to 19 directly has been given. But for the smaller circle, there is no radius at all. We have to calculate the radius from this bigger circle minus subtracting this 10 meter, and this will be the smaller radius. Means 19 meter will be the larger radius and 9 meter will be the smaller radius. Means capital R equals to 19 meter, small r will be equals to 9 meter, and the difference between these two is 10 meter. Okay. For C, the formula will be 2 pi r. 2 pi, the value of pi is equals to 3.14 has been taken in your question. We can put 22 by 7. Also, the value of r will be equals to 19. $119.32 meter. Circumference of smaller circle will be equals to 2 pi small r, 2 into 3.14 small r क्या 9 will be equals to 56.52. This is the video solution of this chapter. Hope so many questions have been left for you. Practice it and come in the doubt session. We will discuss each and every question of this exercise. Whatever doubt will be arises, we will clear it. Okay, bye bye.